Hello everyone, welcome to part 156 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So in this video we are going to display orders in admin panel once again, but this time we are going to show the complete order details. In the last video we have shown the list of orders, and in this video we are going to show the order details. Here we are going to add the icon by which we are going to click on that icon and will display the order details like we have done at the front as well. Here we are showing all the details, all the orders to the user, and once the user clicks on this view details, then the complete information is coming up. Okay, so the same thing we are going to do here as well. So let's start. First thing we are going to here add the link here, add the icon here. Okay, so I'm going to open the orders blade file that we have created in the last video. This orders blade file now exists inside the admin orders as well. Okay, so here we have left these actions, and here we are going to add the icon here. Okay, so that icon is similar to the other icons that we have used. I'm going to open some other blade file like the brands blade file, and here are the icons that I'm going to copy the icon, and then we can able to update that icon as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy this particular icon. Okay, and we'll paste here, then we'll make changes, and here we are going to show the order details. So here admin, then orders, then id, then order id will come up. See this one, order id will come up, and here the icon, not edit, but we are going to use here the file icon we're going to use. And I'm going to check once that, see, now the icon look perfect. Okay, so once the admin will click on any of the icon, then the complete order details will come. So we're going to create the route for this one. Okay, I'm going to open the web.php file and we'll close this brands not required. Okay, so now I'm going to open here this one. Here we are going to create the route for the order detail route, and here get route we're going to add orders, and after that the id of that order. Okay, so here the order controller at the rate of order details. Okay, so we have added this one, order details. Fine, so I'm going to open this order controller now inside the admin, and here I'm going to create here the function order details functions, order detail function. Okay, public function order details. Here we're going to mention the order id that will come up to see the specific order details. Okay, so here I'm going to add the variable order details. I'm going to fetch the complete order details from the order model, and here also we are going to attach that order products as well as the user. Okay, yeah, user, sorry. Okay, so here we are going to check with the id. Okay, we're going to compare with the id, where id $id, and we're going to use here the first, then to array. We can convert it to the array as well. Okay, so here first of all we're going to check this one, order details. Let's see, see the order details is coming up here. Okay, like this order products as well as the user details. Here I'm going to open the new link here as well. So fine, now we are going to use that return view once again, and I'm going to just copy this one, and this one order details we're going to send, and here we're going to create the blade file order underscore detail at the same place. And now we are going to use this orders blade file once again, file save as, and this time I'm going to save it with the order underscore detail. Okay, here I'm going to rename it to order underscore detail, and and here we're going to mention the order detail as well. But now see, now we need here the we need to copy from the admin LT template, because here we need to mention that we need to display that in that particular page. But first of all, here we are going to add here the id order, then the id here, uh, order details id. Okay, so here we are going to mention order this one detail. Okay, order detail. So now here we are going to show the details. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open our template, and we are going to copy from this template that we have downloaded in the beginning of this series. So there is the file inside the admin LTE template, sorry, not this one, but we are going to open the admin LTE template now. Okay, that HTML template that we have downloaded earlier in the beginning of the series. So here is the admin LT template. Okay, so we will go inside the pages, and we'll go inside the tables, and this one simple.html, I'm going to open this one. Okay, simple.html. Also we are going to check once that how it looks. Simple.html, see here. Okay, so this is the page, and we are going to copy this one. This one look perfect, so we are going to copy and we'll make some changes, and that we are going to use for our complete page. Okay, so from here we are going to check here. I think we must search this one, border table. So this one we are going to copy from here. So this main content I'm going to copy and will replace here. So I'm going to replace this main content with that one. Okay, so we're going to check once that how it looks. Here I'm going to refresh, going to hide this one, comment this one, and now check once again. And here you can see the complete page we able to embed here, and now we are going to make changes. So I'm going to close this one. So once again I will go here, this one. So first thing is we are going to display order details. Okay, so here we will straight away display order details. So in order details we are going to display the order id. So what we're going to do, this one is not required, the t head we can remove, and in t body this td we can remove as well. And here we are going to display that order id, and so see this td and this td also we can remove. We don't require such things, and just one simple td is required. And inside this we are going to display dollar order details id. So yeah, so everything else we're going to remove. I'm going to be first like this, just to see that how it looks. Okay, like this, fine. And then the first one is the order id, after that order status, after order status order total. Here the grand total will come. Here we can also mention the order summary like we are mentioning at the front. After order total we can mention the shipping charges as well. our shipping charges, coupon code and coupon amount, then payment method, coupon code, coupon amount, and then payment method. So here we are going to mention the coupon code, then coupon amount, then payment method. Okay, so now we are going to check the order summary. I'm going to refresh the order summary now. Okay, it looks like this, fine. And after this one is not required, so we are going to remove this paging from here. So we're going to check once again. Okay, so it looks fine. So now the next one is we are going to show the customer details. Okay, order summary here, and after that simple full width table. So here we are going to replace this one, call md. Let's check once. Yeah, same one. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one and we'll replace this one like this. Let's see if we can able to replace. Yes, now it is working fine. Now we have these two. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to copy once again, and this time we are going to copy this complete row. Okay, and we'll paste it again to see that if we can able to make the duplicate of that. Yes, we able to make the duplicate of that. Okay, so it's working fine. So this one we are going to remove. This one is not required, so we can remove this card. And from here as well we are going to remove. Yeah, at one more place. Okay, so it looks fine, and we are also going to use this one, so we are not going to remove. And other than this, responsive hover table, fixed header table, this one we can completely remove. Okay, fix. So I'm going to remove this one, and we'll refresh here. Now it's fine. Okay, so now we are going to show the details here, like we are showing the order summary, and now here we can show the customer details. So I will go at the top, and after the order summary, here we can show the customer details, or we can also show the billing details as well. Okay, billing details or customer details, we can mark it like this: billing details, customer details, like this. Okay, so here we can show everything like name, city, address. Okay, name, address, city, state, or we can do one thing, we will simply give here the customer details and billing address, and that billing info and shipping info we can show separately. So it's our choice, like you want to show the complete details here, or want to just show that particular information. Okay, so here I'm going to give the user and the name, username, and here also I'm going to give the user and just will display the email for that. Okay, and here I'm going to give the email of the user, and that's set. Okay, nothing else, and that other information I'm going to remove. And now what I'm going to do here, in this place I'm going to show here the billing address, and the here we're going to show the billing address, and here we are going to show the delivery address. So here name, billing address, name, and here order details, then user, then name, here we're going to show it like this. And now here we're going to show name, after name, address, after address we're going to show city, and after city we're going to show state, after state we're going to show country, after country we're going to show pin code, after pin code we are going to show mobile. Okay, so what I'm going to do for the delivery address, I'm going to copy this much details and we'll replace it here. Okay, and then it will be easier to make changes now. Here it's not required, user is not required, and rest of the information will remain the same. So we are now going to check once, and here you can see order summary, customer details, billing address, and delivery address. Okay, so now we are going to show now the order update order status module, where we are going to update the order status. Okay, so one more module we are going to add here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one, billing address, and this one I'm going to copy this complete row. Here I'm going to copy this one complete row and we'll paste here, and here okay, so this one we're going to remove, this one is not required, so we're going to remove place, and here now it's fine. So here instead of this one we are going to give here update order status, update order status, and here inside this inside tr, in fact we are going to give the select status. Okay, and other things we are required to remove. Okay, this one is not required. just here we are going to give here the select status, and here we're going to give remove this one as well, and here we can simply give that button, okay, something like this button update. This one we are going to work on later on, okay, but right now just we are specifying it like this select status, and here the update button will come, and here the select status will come, okay. So we're going to show the status, and then here we're going to show the status, and then we button will come, okay. So here we're going to show the ordered products, okay. So that thing I'm going to replace it with this one, with ordered products, and here we are going to show all the ordered products one by one, like we're going to show here the product image, after product image product code, after product code product name, and then after product, after product name product size, then color, then quantity, and this one we can remove, and here we are going to add that for each loop we are going to add here uh, at the rate of for each order details, that orders underscore products as dollar product. So here we are going to mention first is the product image, okay. So I'm going to work on this shortly, and after that we are going to display the other product details, like we're going to show the product code. So I'm going to take it like this, okay. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to just will do like this, so it will save time, and after that we can remove this one. So here we're going to show product code, after that product name, after that product size, after that product color, then product quantity, okay, like this. So now so here uh, we are going to see what is the issue is coming, maybe something. Okay, so we forgot to end for each, and for each here like this, okay. So now see ordered products are coming fine, okay. So yeah, we can also use the dart table here in this place. So this search is not required. Dart table will have its own search, so this search is not required at all. So here we are going to see once, and but we can try once that if the search is coming, then we can, but I don't think that this search will come. This no, this search is not coming, because this is not the data table search, so we're going to use the data table search, okay. So for product image we are going to show the product image now. Here we are going to call the product image here inside this, and php get product image from the product model, there is the function get product image and dollar product product id and like this and php. So here we are going to give here target. So here we are going to give image, first of all image source uh, so here we are going to give the image like we are giving in the front end as well. We can open it as well, so it will save our time. Here see we are showing the image as well. We will get the path as well. See, this same script will work there, so that is we can simply copy from there and we'll paste it here. And just the thing is that we are going to change the here we are using the product here. Okay, get product image is this one. Get product image we're getting from there. I think it must work. Let's see it is working or not. Let's refresh it. Okay, so product model we are required to add, like we are adding here as well. Okay, so model is required at the top, that we can add it. Okay, so now I'm going to refresh once again and see yeah, product images are coming, but it is too much big. So we are going to give here the size as well. Okay, so now we can manually give here. So what we are going to give here, we are going to give here like style width. We are going to give like 80 pixel width is enough. I'm going to refresh it, check once. Okay, fine. And same here, same for as well. Okay, uh, I don't think this class will work here. Okay, we can remove this class from here, it will not work because this will work at the front only. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. And also we can give the link to show the uh, product as well. Okay, here we are going to give and with the target blank, it's ref link of the product url product then the product id dollar product id. Okay, so we're going to close this here also, and here also we're going to close. Syntax error underscore id all line 273. Okay, so here we need to end it like this, so that's why we're going to refresh. And let's see now we can click on the product as well and it must open that particular product. Okay, you can see we able to open those products as well. Okay, so now the complete order information we are showing up. Okay, order summary, customer details, billing address, delivery address, and the order products. Okay, so in the next video we are going to work on the update order status, so that the admin can able to update the order status from time to time manually after delivering, after shipping the order. He can able to update the shipping status here, ship status here, along with the order tracking and core details. Okay, so the manual process we're going to do, first of all manual, and then we will also integrate the courier API, shipping API, that we're going to integrate, so that like the ship rocket APIs we have also done earlier as well. Okay, so like this we can integrate the APIs as well, so that this order status will automatically gets updated. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.